5 amazing facts about Coca-Cola you probably didn't know. Welcome to Holman's Stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let's crack open a bottle of Coke. Coca-Cola, one of the most recognizable brands, has a rich history. It's more than just a drink, it's a cultural phenomenon. Today, we're counting down 5 amazing facts about Coca-Cola. Fact number 1. Coca-Cola was invented as medicine. Coca-Cola's story begins in 1886 with Dr. John Stith Pemberton, a pharmacist in Atlanta. He created it as a medicinal tonic for headaches, fatigue, and morphine addiction. Infused with coca leaves, the source of cocaine, and cola nuts, natural caffeine, it was marketed as a brain tonic. It was sold in pharmacies as a patent medicine, a surprising origin for the sugary soda we know today. Fact number 2. Coca-Cola's secret recipe is locked away. Coca-Cola's formula is one of the world's most closely guarded secrets. Legend says only 2 people know it at a time, and they never travel together. A copy is locked inside a high-security vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, fueling theories and adding allure to every sip. Fact number 3. Coca-Cola was once green. The original Coca-Cola was greenish due to unrefined ingredients and early manufacturing. Though it didn't last long, the green color sparked legends about Coca-Cola's natural origins. It was eventually replaced by the caramel brown we know today, but the idea of a green Coke remains. Fact number 4. The iconic bottle was inspired by a cocoa pod. In 1915, Coca-Cola wanted a bottle design that could be recognized in the dark. The winning design, by Root Glass Company, was inspired by the cocoa pod. Despite the mix-up, cola, not cocoa, is in Coke, the bottle became a cultural symbol. Fact number 5. Coca-Cola helped shape Santa Claus. In the 1930s, Coca-Cola commissioned artist Haddon Sundblom to create Santa for their ads. His friendly depiction became the standard holiday icon, cementing Coca-Cola's association with Christmas. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink, it's a story bubbling with innovation, secrecy, and cultural influence. From its medicinal origins to shaping Santa Claus's image, Coca-Cola continues to leave its mark on history. That's it for today's Holman's Stories. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay curious and keep stories alive.